I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Being an independent contractor offers freedom and flexibility. You're your own boss. You choose your projects. You set your own schedule and have the liberty to work from anywhere, be it a cozy home office or a bustling coffee shop. This autonomy is one of the biggest perks of being an independent contractor. But this independence also comes with risks. Without the safety net of a traditional employer, you are solely responsible for your business's success and failures. This means handling all the paperwork, managing finances, and dealing with any legal issues that arise. An LLC, or limited liability company, acts as a shield, protecting your personal assets from business liabilities. It provides a layer of security that separates your personal finances from your business obligations. Check out the link in the description box below. Think of it as a safety net for your entrepreneurial journey. Just like a safety harness protects a climber, an LLC safeguards your personal assets, giving you the confidence to take on new challenges and grow your business. Without an LLC, you and your business are considered one entity. This means that any financial or legal troubles your business encounters directly impact your personal life. This means personal assets like your house, car, or savings are vulnerable. If your business faces a lawsuit or debt, your personal belongings are at risk. This can be a daunting prospect for anyone trying to build a secure future. If your business faces a lawsuit or debt, your personal belongings are at risk. Legal battles and financial troubles can quickly escalate, putting everything you've worked hard for in jeopardy. An LLC creates a legal separation. This distinction ensures that your personal assets remain protected. Even if your business encounters financial difficulties or legal challenges, it safeguards your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. This protection is invaluable, especially for independent contractors who often face higher liability risks due to the nature of their work. This protection is crucial for independent contractors who often face higher liability risks due to the nature of their work. By forming an LLC, you can focus on growing your business with peace of mind, knowing that your personal assets are secure. Your business name is the first impression you make. It's how clients and partners will recognize you. Choose a name that reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. Once you have a few potential names, check for availability. Make sure the name isn't already taken by another business in your state. Each state has a business name database you can search online. This step is crucial to avoid legal issues down the line. Once you've found a unique and available name, consider registering it. This will prevent others from using your business name and provide you with added legal protection. Articles of organization are official documents filed with your state to form your LLC. They contain basic information about your business like its name, address, and purpose. Think of it as your LLC's birth certificate. It officially registers your business with the state. Each state has its own requirements and fees for filing articles of organization. You can usually find this information on your state's Secretary of State website. Most states allow online filing, making the process more convenient. When filling out the forms, be sure to provide accurate and complete information. Any errors or omissions could delay the process or create legal issues in the future. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be managed and operated. It covers important aspects like ownership percentages, member responsibilities, and profit distribution. While not always legally required, it's highly recommended for all LLCs. Think of it as a contract among the LLC members. It clarifies everyone's roles and responsibilities, minimizing the potential for disagreements and disputes down the line. It also establishes procedures for handling common situations. For example, how will decisions be made? How will profits and losses be allocated? Having these details clearly outlined in an operating agreement can save you headaches and legal battles later. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your business. This number is crucial for various business activities and is often one of the first steps in establishing your business identity. It's like a social security number for your LLC, but instead of identifying an individual, it identifies your business entity. This distinction is important for maintaining the legal and financial separation between you and your business. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Without it, many financial institutions and government agencies won't recognize your business, making it difficult to operate smoothly. Even if you're a solopreneur, an EIN is essential for separating your business finances from your personal finances. This separation is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and can help you avoid potential tax issues down the line. This separation not only simplifies accounting, but also protects you from personal liability. By keeping your business and personal finances distinct, you can ensure that your personal assets are shielded from any business-related legal actions. It establishes your LLC as a separate legal entity in the eyes of the IRS. This legal distinction is vital for building credibility with clients, vendors, and financial institutions. Applying for an EIN is typically a quick and easy process. The IRS has streamlined the application process to make it accessible for all business owners. You can apply online through the IRS website, and you'll usually receive your EIN immediately upon submission. This instant access allows you to move forward with your business plans without unnecessary delays, ensuring you can start operating as soon as possible. Navigating the legal and administrative aspects of starting an LLC can feel overwhelming. The sheer volume of paperwork, legal jargon, and procedural steps can be daunting for anyone, especially first-time entrepreneurs. That's where companies like Bizee come in. They specialize in making the complex simple, providing a clear path through the maze of LLC formation. Check out the link in the description box below. Bizee simplifies the LLC formation process, making it easier for entrepreneurs to get their businesses up and running. From the initial consultation to the final signature, they offer comprehensive support every step of the way. They act as your guide, handling the paperwork and ensuring you meet all the legal requirements. This includes everything from drafting and filing essential documents to providing expert advice on legal compliance. Bizee can help you choose a business name, file your articles of organization, and obtain your EIN all in one place. They streamline the entire process, making it seamless and stress-free. This streamlined approach saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. Instead of getting bogged down by administrative tasks, you can channel your energy into growing your venture. With Bizee, you can rest assured that your LLC formation is in expert hands. Their experienced team ensures that every detail is taken care of, giving you peace of mind and the confidence to move forward with your business ambition. Your LLC, a stepping stone to success. Starting an LLC is a significant step in your journey as an independent contractor. It provides a solid foundation for your business, protecting you from liability, offering tax advantages, and enhancing your credibility. While the process may seem daunting at first, resources like Bizee are available to guide you every step of the way. Don't let the fear of the unknown prevent you from taking this essential step. Your LLC is not just a legal entity. It's a symbol of your ambition, dedication, and commitment to your entrepreneurial dreams. Take action. Start your LLC journey today. Don't delay protecting yourself and your business. Start your LLC journey today and experience the peace of mind and numerous benefits that come with it. Remember, resources like Bizee are available to simplify the process and ensure your LLC formation is a success. And hey, when you're ready to level up your business and make it official, check out Bizee for all your LLC and EIN needs. They make the process seamless and affordable, so you can focus on what really matters, building your empire. The future is yours for the taking, so get out there and crush it. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of this business, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for even more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Let's make those dreams a reality, one hustle at a time.